Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced and enter about phone, and here we have to find the build number, which is localized, as you can see, at the very bottom of this list. And all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back, and right above the about phone we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the smallest width, we can turn on the surface updates, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking. As you can see, we've got the USB options and the Wi-Fi options, so plenty of options to choose from to customize. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on it or just tap on the switcher next to it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way if you've got the options without the switcher. So for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on this on the switcher at the very top, on this, let's say, bluish or greenish background. As you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, you can see that developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.